Today is October 27th, 2025. We are looking at one of the world's most recognized companies, the Coca-Cola Company. Its stock ticker is KO. The company has a long history. It is known for its drinks. It's also a stock many people hold for the long term. The key number to start with today is its stock price. As of the last market close, one share costs $62.45. This price is a starting point. It represents what investors pay for a piece of this global beverage giant. Coca-Cola is very large. Market capitalization over $269 billion. That number is the total value of all shares combined. People in nearly every country can buy its products. Global reach is a major part of its story. Let's look more closely at the stock price. The price is $62.45 per share, reflecting recent market activity. Over the last month, the stock rose about 2.5%. That short-term gain suggests some positive investor sentiment. Over a longer period, the trend is also positive. In the last year, Coca-Cola's stock is up roughly 9%. That's steady, though not spectacular, growth. These numbers show a mature company holding its value and providing modest gains for investors now. The stock's movement ties to broader economic news and company-specific events. For example, news about inflation, consumer spending, interest rates. If raw material costs like aluminum sugar rise, profits, and the stock can feel pressure. Conversely, strong consumer spending can mean people keep buying Coca-Cola products, a positive signal. The stock price reflects the constant balance of these factors processed by the market daily. Comparing KO to the broader market gives more context. One of the main reasons many people invest in Coca-Cola is for its dividend. A dividend is a payment that a company makes to its shareholders from its profits. Coca-Cola has a very long and consistent history of paying them. In fact, the company has increased its dividend every year for the last 63 years. This makes it a dividend king. A dividend king is a company with at least 50 consecutive years of dividend increases. This long track record provides reliability for investors seeking steady income. Currently, Coca-Cola pays an annual dividend of $1.94 per share. That is paid in 4 equal quarterly installments of $0.485 per share. With a stock price of $62.45, the annual dividend yields about 3.11%. Dividend yield shows how much a company pays in dividends each year relative to its stock price. A yield over 3% is strong, especially versus the S&P 500 average, which is closer to 1.5%. Timing matters for dividend investors. To understand the health of the business, we must look at its most recent earnings report. For the third quarter of 2025, Coca-Cola reported strong results that beat analyst expectations. The company announced quarterly revenue of $12.5 billion. This was up 7% year over year. Graphic key Q3 2025 figures. Revenue $12.5 billion, plus 7%, and EPS $0.76, plus 9%. This growth was driven by higher prices for its products and a slight increase in the volume of drinks sold. This shows that even as the company charges more, consumers are largely continuing to buy, a sign of strong brand loyalty. Source: Coca-Cola Q3 2025 earnings release. Looking deeper, profitability was a bright spot. Coca-Cola reported adjusted EPS of 0.76. That EPS was up 9% versus Q3 2024. This indicates the company is managing rising costs. Looking to the future, there are several reasons for investors to be optimistic about Coca-Cola. The company's brand is one of the most valuable in the world. This powerful brand recognition creates a defensive moat around the business, making it difficult for competitors to take away its market share. Furthermore, the company continues to innovate by introducing new products and variations, smaller can sizes, low sugar options, to adapt to changing consumer preferences. Its massive global distribution system also gives it a significant advantage in reaching customers in both developed and emerging markets around the world. However, there are also risks and challenges that the company must navigate. One of the most significant is the ongoing global shift away from sugary drinks due to health concerns. In summary, the Coca-Cola Company presents a picture of stability and predictability. It is a massive, profitable business with an unparalleled global brand. The stock has delivered steady, moderate growth and is supported by a strong and reliable dividend that provides a significant income stream to its shareholders. Recent earnings reports show that the company is successfully managing higher costs through price increases, and it continues to generate a tremendous amount of cash. Coca-Cola remains a benchmark for a stable, blue-chip investment. Comparing KO to the broader market gives more context. Over the past year, the S&P 500 has gained about 15%. The index tracks 500 of the largest U.S. companies. So Coca-Cola's 9% gain lags the market average. That's typical for a large defensive stock. In bull markets, high-growth names often lead with bigger gains. KO tends to be favored when markets are uncertain or declining because it usually falls less than volatile stocks. An investor must decide if they prefer slower, more stable growth or higher potential growth with more risk. The current trend shows stability with moderate upward movement. It's not making dramatic headline jumps. Instead, it's a reliable performer, moving steadily forward. Investors have seen growth, just not as fast as the broader market this past year. The key takeaway: consistency. The price reflects a company navigating the economic landscape without major surprises for shareholders. Our goal: a clear, fact-based overview to help you understand what is happening with KO stock now. The business is built on powerful branding and a massive distribution network. One of the most significant is the ongoing global shift away from sugary drinks due to health concerns. While Coca-Cola has diversified its portfolio with waters, teas, and juices, its core carbonated soft drink business still faces pressure from this trend. Additionally, the company is exposed to currency fluctuations. Because it operates worldwide, a strong US dollar can reduce the value of its international sales when they are converted back into dollars. Rising commodity costs for things like sugar and aluminum also remain a persistent threat to its profitability. The overall consensus on Wall Street is cautiously positive. According to data from major financial firms, out of 25 analysts who cover the stock, 17 currently have a buy rating on it. The remaining 8 analysts have a hold rating and none have a sell rating. The average 12-month price target among these analysts is around $70 per share. This suggests that most experts believe the stock has some modest room to grow from its current price of $62.45 over the next year. Source: Bloomberg, Reuters Analyst Data, October 2025. In terms of valuation, Coca-Cola stock currently trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of about 23. This is slightly below its 5-year average P/E ratio of 25. A P/E ratio compares the company's stock price to its earnings per share. A lower number can sometimes suggest that a stock is relatively undervalued compared to its own history. In this case, it indicates that the stock is not trading at an expensive premium. Cash flow remains very healthy. In the first 9 months, Coca-Cola generated over $8.9 billion in free cash flow. Free cash flow is the cash left after operating expenses and capital expenditures. That cash lets Coca-Cola fund large dividend payments, buy back its own stock, and make strategic acquisitions without taking on too much debt. A strong, predictable cash flow is a hallmark of a mature, stable business and one of Coca-Cola's greatest financial strengths. Management updated the full-year outlook. They now expect organic revenue growth of 10 to 11%, an increase from prior guidance. The company announces ex-dividend dates in advance. The next ex-dividend date is expected around the end of November 2025. You must own the stock before that date to get the next quarterly payment. Payments are usually made about 2 weeks later, in mid-December. This predictable schedule attracts income-focused investors, like retirees. Coca-Cola's ability to pay and grow the dividend is backed by stable cash flow. The business generates large cash from global sales year after year. Dividend growth has been modest recently, but the commitment remains core to strategy. Moving forward, there are a few key things for investors to watch. The first is the company's next earnings report, which will provide the latest update on sales volumes, revenue growth, and profit margins. Pay close attention to management's guidance for 2026. The second thing to watch is the annual dividend announcement, which typically comes in February. Investors will be looking for another increase to continue the company's long streak. Finally, keep an eye on sales trends in both emerging markets, which are key for growth, and developed markets, where health trends are most prominent. This information provides a snapshot as of today, October 27, 2025. The facts and figures in the market are always changing. Therefore, it is important to do your own research and check the latest numbers from reliable sources before making any investment decisions.